In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Adobe Express. If you want your workspace to match the language you're most comfortable with, you can switch Adobe Express in just a few clicks. With Adobe Express open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where Adobe places quick access to personal and application preferences, so it's the fastest route to language settings. From the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. In some versions, this may be labeled Preferences. Don't worry if you see one term or the other. They both lead you to the same place where Adobe collects options that control how the interface looks and behaves for your account. Once you're in that settings area, take a moment to scan the sections listed on the left or across the top, depending on your layout. Next, look specifically for an option called Language or Interface Language. Adobe Express sometimes groups this under General Settings, so if you don't spot it immediately, scroll a bit or open the General category first. The wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for the control that defines the language of menus, buttons, tooltips, and dialogues. When you find the Language or Interface Language field, click the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available languages supported for your region and version. Select your preferred language from this list. After you choose it, the app typically updates the interface automatically. You may notice a brief refresh as the menus and labels switch over. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment. Some environments apply it after a quick reload. There's no need to change anything else unless you want to explore additional preferences. A few helpful notes as you make the switch. Changing the interface language affects Adobe Express itself, not your computer's system language. Your existing projects won't be altered. It only changes the language used by the application's controls and messages. If you collaborate with teammates, their interface will remain in whatever language they've selected on their own accounts. Also, keyboard shortcuts generally stay consistent, but some labels and regional formats, like dates, may reflect the language you've chosen. That's all it takes to change the language in Adobe Express. Click your profile icon, open Account Settings or Preferences, find Language or Interface Language, and pick the option that fits you best. Enjoy creating in the language that helps you work faster and more comfortably.